my third grade and I want to talk in English to people in the world. I want to share lots of ideas and teach Koreans to people and let people learn about Korean culture. If I wanted to do this, I have to learn English from GrapeSEED, so I can show different people that I can speak two language and let them learn about from me. Let me tell you about if I'm a zookeeper. If I'm a zookeeper at the zoo, I want to take care of parrots because I heard parrots are smart and they can speak many different languages. I would love to teach how to speak and talk with parrots. It will be good chance to make new animals friends. Also, their feathers are very colorful and beautiful, which makes me very happy to see them. Teach them how to speak, and my parents become a guide of the zoo. Will he be very excited? Can be happy at the zoo? What do you think? Thank you for watching my video.